Good morning, students. Today we will read a conversation between a father and his daughter about nutrients in a conversation book. So, you all have to open your conversation book, lesson 16 about nutrients. In this conversation, we will read about the nutrients, okay? And as usual, you can practice with your family members or with your friends also, and you can do practice with your father also, okay? So let's start. Here is a conversation between a father and his daughter about nutrients. Medha, Daddy, tell me what are nutrients? Dad, Medha, a food contains some useful substances. These substances are called nutrients. Medha, what are main nutrients? Daddy, Dad, the main nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, and vitamins. Medha, what do carbohydrate give us? Dad, carbohydrate give us energy. Medha, what are main sources of carbohydrates, Daddy? Dad, Medha, the main sources of carbohydrates are rice, wheat, potato, and sugar. Medha, Daddy, what is glucose? Dad, glucose is the simplest sugar which gives you instant energy. Medha, what are proteins? Dad, proteins are called bodybuilding foods. Medha, why do we need proteins, Daddy? Dad, proteins help us to grow. Medha, do children require a good amount of proteins? Dad, yes, children require a good amount of proteins. Medha, what are the main sources of proteins, Daddy? Dad, the main sources of proteins are eggs, fish, meat, milk, pulses, beans, peas, groundnuts, and soybeans, etc. Children, you can see the pictures also by which we can get the nutrients. Okay. Next, Medha, why do we need vitamins and minerals? Dad, we need vitamins and minerals because these nutrients help our body to fight against diseases. Medha, what are foods having vitamins and minerals called? Dad, such foods are called protective foods. Medha, what are the main protective foods? Dad, the main protective foods are cereals, nuts, green leafy vegetables, fruits, etc. Medha, which food item is called complete food, Daddy? Dad, Medha, milk is called the complete food. Listening, milk is called the complete food. You also have to drink 1 glass of milk daily. Okay. Next, Medha, what is roughage? Dad, roughage is a kind of fiber that keeps our digestive system in good working order and helps to prevent constipation. Medha, what are the sources of roughage? Dad, the sources of roughage are cereals, cucumber, spinach, and some other vegetables. Medha, thank you, Daddy. You have given me very useful information about nutrients. So, this conversation between father and his daughter was mainly based on the nutrients. Okay, so you have to follow, you have to read this conversation and do practice with your friends. Bye bye, have a nice day.